In addition to creating shapes and animating them in basic ways like with rotation and position, we have some other interesting commands that we can use within the shape layer. So I'm going to go ahead and click on shape layer 1. And now that I have enough shapes, I might want to double click on the layer to go ahead and rename it, or right click. So I can call this one cog. And when I open this up, I have this ability to add certain things. For example, I might want to add a repeater, which would then repeat that shape, and that can be nice because rather than having a bunch of shape layers or groups within the layer, if you want 3 cogs, you can go ahead and create a lot. You can offset them. We need to do that there. We can go ahead and transform them so that we can actually maybe see some of them. We can rotate them. We can change where they're starting and how they're rotating. All right, so we can kind of have some interesting results happen, whether it's with the repeater, or perhaps I'll go to shape. Well, I'm going to stay with the cog for a while. So in addition to repeater, let me get these so that I can see them. So we have the repeater, and have everything rotating at a certain speed there. We also have the ability to add twists and wiggles, and all of these are going to have interesting effects on our animations. And this might be nice for a little like start one way, start the other way, and then kind of keep on going. So interesting kind of ways to introduce shapes, right? And so that's just something else to play around with and kind of create completely new shapes, right? No longer really a cog, just a kind of textured, almost eyeball shape now. Right, so there's a bunch of things that you can do within the shapes to kind of add a lot of visual interest, both in the actual shape itself and then the way that it gets animated.